Sanitize, disinfect, and kill 99.9% of viruses with Larson Electronics UVC lighting. Our UVC sanitation lights offer 254 nanometers of virus-killing power. Portable sanitation light carts, light fixtures, handheld lights, desktop lamps, sanitation boxes, dolly cart UVC lights, air sanitation fixtures, and HVAC sanitation for air ducts. Check out our eye and skin safe FAR-UVC catalog, including can lights, wall sconces, visible light and FAR-UV combo fixtures, and more. Get back to restaurants, back to work, and back to business with Larson Electronics UVC lighting. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.